Welcome back to Living Well. We're live at Wade's RV. By the way, our videographer, he is right here, and he's brought his entire family. Dominic is over here. Make some noise for our videographer, guys.
Let's hear it. Woo!
Isn't he the best?
Gosh, we're
going to try to get his kids on, if that's okay with the parents.
Yeah, we need to. Last time he was up on top of the RV with us, all we said was, Dominic, you want to go up? He was already up there.
He's fearless. This is a fearless man, along with Wade. Wade is as fearless as anybody.
We love having our buddy little Wade here, and he's even going to bring in another expert. Like you said, you are a know-it-all, but sometimes you don't know it all. Yes. Is that what you said?
That's
I think
that's
what he said. Yes. But we've got one of my favorites to pop up back behind here. Bring one of your main guys in here and tell us a little bit about this.
Okay, so I'm going to let David, my product specialist, take this because he knows everything about this unit. Plus, when he gets done telling you about it, you have to ask him about one of his favorite camping memories. It's an awesome story.
I love it.
Okay,
I love it.
Come on in, Dave. Thanks so much for doing this with us. This is so much fun when we come out here, and you get to be a part of this all the time. We can't wait to hear the memories. But first, tell me a little bit about this. Is the one I pick. I like this size.
You like
right
this
here.
little guy?
Well, this is a 2020 Opus it's imported from Australia. It's real lightweight. It's towable by like a Jeep or so. And you can see this behind a Jeep with a independent suspension on this. Would be really neat looking for one thing, but it'll go over anything like your Jeep will.
It seems really adaptable. It looks like you could turn this thing into just about anything, kind of like a transformer.
Yeah, it's kind of really a neat piece here. It's just we're really glad to get it, but it's also you just push one button and it airs it up. So there's nothing to do once you get to all your unlocks undone and everything, and it just push a button and it just all inflates up there for you.
I think this is amazing. Look at this. An entire kitchen will come out of the side of your RV. That's amazing to me.
Yeah. The freezer and air conditioning, everything you need.
Oh, there's the freezer. I didn't even see that. So you got to be a good grill master if you're going to take this, but you can cook right out here on the road. And what kind of price range are we talking here?
We're looking at around $30,000 or less.
Oh, that could change your life for next to nothing.
I can't imagine that you could get into something for that low of a price. And that'd be a low monthly payment, and it could be memories for your family.
Yes, really. It'd be a great experience for everybody.
Tell us about one of your memories that Lil Wade kind of teased us. He said that you had a memory you wanted to share.
Well, when my son was actually 12 years old, we was at the Little League World Series heading up to the Little League. So it was all the preliminaries before that, and we got to stay at the campsite there, and it was a really good experience for the whole family and everything. So that was really a great experience it's been still talked about these days. My kid's 31 years old these days.
See, that's the beauty of this. You make these memories and they're never going away. You know, you buy somebody something, it's going to break in a couple of years, but memories never break. They stay with you forever, and they're the most important things in your life. Take it from an old guy. So I think these are amazing, and they compact into a fairly small unit, right, Dave?
Yes, it's real low profile. Once you have it all collapsed down, you have a storage rack on top for all your other belongings you'd like to take with you, like chairs or other
for grandma.
Camping area.
You can put grandma up there.
Up on the racks.
Kind of like the Beverly Hillbillies.
Exactly.
Yeah, that'd work too, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it has brakes and everything, so it's a very safe vehicle once you get there. And it's got stabilizers and everything like that, so you're set up to be safe wherever you go.
Well, you ought to come in and talk to this guy. He'll get you fixed up with one of these, get started making those memories. We appreciate you coming in to kind of fill us in on this. We know Lil Wade just drug you in here, made you do this, so we appreciate you doing this.
My pleasure.